Did you ever think about rockets? And did you ever think, what if rockets are not invented? We all know, rockets are key elements in space exploration. Rockets are invented by Dr. Robert Hutchings Goddard in 1926. Now, most countries rely on rocket technology to achieve security, integrity, development, and space exploration. For example, when we lost somewhere in a deep forest or when a flight accident happens, on that cases satellite communication helps us to send SOS and save our life. Not only these scenarios and also, rely on various segments like technology and development to fulfill our daily essentials. Did you ever think, what if these technologies are not invented? Did you ever imagine, what if rockets were not invented? It is very hard to imagine, right? Now explore deeper into this thought. Rockets are a massive invention of the human race. They carry satellites to space for various purposes. If rockets are not invented, we can't evolve at this speed. We might be living in 1900 now. Space exploration organizations NASA, Roscosmos, and ESA might not be established or functioning in the diverse sector. Mainly these organizations focused on rockets and space exploration. Now, most countries are depending on satellites to guard their borders and to secure their country. Without these satellites and rockets, countries may find a different way to secure their country. Not only security, but satellites are also useful in finding minerals and natural resources. Without these, we might discover them slowly and those resources may be secured for future generations. We might use the internet but can't achieve 10 megabits per second speed. Internet towers might increase to serve better internet and signals. Rockets mainly carry satellites to space. After their purpose, some parts fall into oceans and some parts may revolve around the Earth. Without these inventions, we can't find space debris. With help of rockets and satellite technology, we explored other planets in our solar system. Not only on a solar system. We reached far distance in space exploration with help of these technologies. Without these, we may rely on other ways to explore and maybe we can't reach deeper into space. Hey guys! Ever wondered? What will happen if all persons on this planet become genius? We know each person has their way to solve their problem, based on their intelligence and IQ. Let's imagine, what if everyone has the same amount of intelligence and IQ? It seems to be interesting to think of. But we should face a lot of sequences if we have the same level of intelligence. Everyone may be smarter humans. First, we are going to talk about the bright side. Firstly, the most obvious effect would be on education. Students can go through school much faster than people who progress through school today. Bachelor's degrees at 14 and doctorates at 18 would be common. With that IQ and knowledge, everyone might be Newtons and Einsteins, etc., and many inventions may happen. This may help to cure dangerous diseases and, with that massive intelligent people on Earth may reach endless distances in space. If everyone has positive intelligence, we can experience a crime-free world. And the world might be green, with some innovative inventions to reduce the greenhouse effect. There is a small tendency for people with high scores to be more liberal in their social attitudes and less likely to accept strong religious beliefs. And many more things will happen. Now talk about the dark side. Everyone with extraordinary intelligence has a huge chance to escape from serious crimes. And sometimes those innovative inventions rise to hazardous scenarios. Like those inventions led to destroy the whole population on Earth. And that kind of smartness led to problems like everyone should try to conquer their prestigious jobs. This lead to serious issues. No one supposes to do jobs like labor, sanitation works, etc. People with high-level intelligence in adolescence, without any proper guidance and maturity, show a bad impact on themselves as well as on society. People significantly smarter would lose their belief in God. Imagine one day, when you awake early morning and hear the news, they suddenly broadcast. 3,905 million women are disappeared except one woman, just like Thanos' snap. At that time, what will happen next? Will remaining women help to repopulate the Earth? What she will do? To know the answer, let's get deeper into the topic. On that day you wake up early and listen to the news. Firstly, at that time nobody doesn't know what to do without a woman. So many works done by women were stopped. Slowly men learn all the works. And replaced in their positions. And coming to that single women. We think that women might control things, but in reality, only one woman is alive, so the entire world wants her to secure. If she died, there is no one to repopulate. So she will be taken care of like a diamond. And she might be the most valuable human on Earth, then compared to others. She has to repopulate the Earth, otherwise, the entire world population will be up in few years. To repopulate the Earth, she has to donate her ovum. A woman can give birth to 15 to 30 babies in her lifetime. With some scientific and artificial methods, we can give birth to more babies. A woman can produce 6 million ova in her lifetime. That means she can give birth to nearly 6 million. Scientifically it is possible, but there must be a problem. And it is hard to imagine. Every man feels women's love, but only one woman is alive. She can't spread his love to entire men. This kind of situation is hard to think about and accept. What do you think about this? Comment below. And, if you want more concepts, comment below and do like and subscribe. Oh, and do like and subscribe.